Trailblazing Through English, Understanding Trailblaze. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, trailblaze. This term packs adventure, leadership, and innovation into one, and it's used in more than just the literal sense of marking a path through a wilderness. Get ready to delve into the world of trailblazers. The word trailblaze finds its origins in the practice of marking paths through uncharted territory. A trailblazer would cut blazes, marks on trees or rocks, to guide others along the path. But it's not just about cutting through forests, it's about pioneering and venturing into the unknown. Today, to trailblaze means to pioneer in any field, be it technology, science, or even social movements. It implies innovating, being the first to do something, or going where no one has gone before. When you trailblaze, you're creating a path for others to follow, setting a precedent. Let's put our word into action. Saying, "She trailblazes a new method of learning," means she's inventing a new way that others may adopt in the future. Or, "The scientists at the lab trailblazed their way to a cure," signifies that they were pioneers in finding that cure. History is rich with trailblazers. Think of Marie Curie in science, or the Wright brothers in aviation. These individuals didn't just follow existing paths, they blazed their own for others to follow. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the meaning of trailblaze. I hope this video has illuminated the term for you and perhaps even inspired you to become a trailblazer in your own life. Keep learning, keep exploring, and maybe one day, you'll be the one to mark a new path forward. Happy learning!